Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 not launching or running. So what you're going to do is go to Steam, and I do not have the game downloaded right now, but all you're going to do is just go to your library. You're going to go to Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. I'm going to use Aim Labs for an example. What you're going to do is click on Manage. You're going to go to you're going to click on Properties. You're going to go to Local Files, and then you're going to click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now once that is done verifying, I guess you can X out. And then what you can do is go to Steam in the top left corner. You're going to click Exit, and what this is going to do is going to basically just close Steam. And then from there you can reopen Steam, and then you can go back to Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, and then you can just play the game. And hopefully that should fix the error code. If that does not fix the error code, what you can do is just simply restart your PC. That is the second solution, second method. If that also does not work, the third method you guys can do is just simply uninstall the game and then re-download it, and hopefully that should fix the error code as well. And if you have the app, or if you see like Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 as like one of these short icons, what you're going to do is right click on it, and you're going to click Run as Administrator and run it that way. And that should fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 not launching or running. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.